Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in Fewer Than Two. X, aka Elon Musk, has now decided that block will no longer be a feature on X, Twitter. And this was so much of a departure from what I would expect that I had to check to make sure that this wasn't just a rumor, but in fact, it was X'd directly from the X's mouth. So yeah, all the blocking that you've ever done, I guess, wasn't pointless. You'll still be able to block on other networks, assumedly, if only so those apps could stay in the Google Play Store or Apple's App Store, because you need to have the functionality of blocking in order to be considered for either one of those app stores. How X is going to get around that remains to be seen. Rules have certainly been bent in the past. Wouldn't surprise me if they'd be bent in the future. I certainly have blocked, but I gotta say, I have muted a lot more than I've blocked. And if given the option between choosing the word block or mute, I'm going to use both. Between those two, I would tend to go the muting route, if only because no signal is sent. Like when you're blocked, you're clearly cut off. But if someone wanted to look at what you were sharing, they could easily, find a way around that. But muting makes it such that the person that you're muting is just shouting into the ether. Like they're just doing it and wasting their energy, not yours. What do you think?